Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we're going to be making crispy fried prawn. Today's video we're going to be needing 3 spoons of corn flour and 3 spoons of all-purpose flour, prawns, garlic and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to add our garlic and a little bit of salt. Mix it all together. Now we're going to add some water to make the batter. Once the batter is ready, you should then dip it, then fry it. Once it turns into a golden brown colour, you should flip it over to the other side. Once it's golden brown, you should then take it out. This is how it should look once it's ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye guys.